All right, I've done a tenor song, I've done a baritone song, and now I'm going to try doing a little bit of Rolling in the Deep. And this song is fun. It's a little bit out of my abilities, but it's a fun song to try to sing. The beat is fun. It's fun. All right, we'll give it a try. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and bringing me out the dark. Finally, I see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out, and I'll lay your ship bare. See how I'll leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and bring me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you have my heart inside your hands, and you played it to the beat. Baby, I have no story to be told, but I heard one on you and I'm gonna make your head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair. Make a home down there, mine won't be shared. The scars of your love, they remind me of us. They keep me thinking we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside your hand, and you played it to the beat. Could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside your hand, but you played it with a beating. Throw your soul through every open door. Count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasure gold. You'll pay me back in kindness, reap with what you sow. We could have had it all. We could have had it all. It all, it all, it all. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside your hands, and you played it to the beat. You could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside your hand, but you played it, you played it, you played it, you played it to the beat.